Alright guys, welcome back to a new series where I learn how to use Python while teaching you guys. This is currently week 12, day 78. So what did I do on this week? Well, this week I learned about collisions and images in Python. So what is a collision in Python? Basically, a collision in Python is when one object overlaps with the other object. That's basically a collision in general. I'm not too good with explaining it, although after this series, like way past, like way further in the future, once I'm pretty good with Python, I'm going to be making a detailed series where I explain to you guys on how to use Python, the different things that I learned. So be sure to stay tuned for that. And now let's talk about images in Python. So what is an image in Python? How do we use an image? So for using an image, firstly, I made a PNG. I drew a PNG, and then to import that into Python, I added that images file into Python's file directory. So that gave me access to the image, and there's a built-in functions in Pygame. The one that I'll use, or the one that almost everyone uses, is pygame.image.load and then the file path. So yeah, that was basically it for what I did this week. And it sounded a little vague. If you guys want to know exactly in detail what I do go live. I gotta go live at like, let's see, like 11 minutes. I usually go live at like 2 o'clock. Although that aside, if you guys want to check my progress out, you guys can watch my live. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Like you have my algorithm sharing makes you smile, and subscribe means like it cherry on top. And I'll catch you guys in the next live stream or video. Peace.